Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the Wix blog templates and how to create a blog on Wix. So let's get started. So right now I'm on the Wix website. So if you want to create a blog, then we can actually head over and click on this create a new site. And in here will open the free website builder. So you can use AI in order to customize your website, but you can also set up without AI. So I'll just choose that option. And then from there, it will load like this. And then in here, you can choose what kind of website you're creating. Here's blog right here. So click on blog. And then in here, click on next. And then once you have done that, you can just put in a name for your blog. So let's put in something like James blog. Then click on next right here. And then in here, you can add these things to your website. You can add an Instagram feed, a chat, a blog, which is a blog is built in for this. You can also click on view more right here to see which things that you can add to your blog. So you can add in a forum in order to build a community to your blog. You can also create groups, and we can also put in file share right here. So for this one, click on next. And then in here, we can create the site with a template, or we can get the custom built site. So let's begin this with a template. So once we have clicked on that, you can see in here, there's a lot of blog things that you can choose from. So for this one, let's choose this personal blog. Let's click on edit right here in order to edit this template to our site. So let's just wait for that. So once everything is loading, this will present to your site. You can actually let AI write your site content if you want. So in here, let's try to generate site content, but first we need to add some details to your site. Let's add something like an enthusiast for good thing. They can just write something, then click on generate site text, and then this will create text for our site and for our blog. So in here, you can see on the sidebar these things which can be able to use in order to make your blog more efficient and functional. So in here, you can add elements. So click on add elements right here. And then you can choose what elements you want to add. So let's try to add the heading right here. And then you can also edit that by clicking on the edit text. Click on this. And let's say something, the story of my life. And then you can also choose the font that you want to use for this. And in here, you can see that you can add section, you can add pages and menu right here. So it already comes with this pre-built menus, which is this blog, about, contact, groups, forum, and members. So in here, you can see that you can actually customize this thing, which is your site design. You can change the theme, you can change the color scheme if you want. So when you click on this, you should be able to change it. So let's try to change this one right here to something else. So for example, you want to change it into a dark black. As you can see, some things on your website has actually changed. So as you can see, it is changing as we actually change it. Now from in there, you can also see that you can integrate apps if you want. You can add everything. You can add image. You can add these things right here. So once you're done with everything, you can see that there's a lot of things that you can do. So if you click on this thing, which is the pages and menu, you can add a specific thing on your blog, and you can add a subpage for that if you want. So in here, you can see that this will show you the feed of your blog. So here's the feed of your blog right here. And when you click on this specific article, you should be able to open it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to know a bit about the Wix blog templates and how to create a blog on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.